What's going on YouTube? Modeling Up back at you with the next build update. So tonight's going to be a little bit different. As you can see, I got a little bit of a different tool on my desk. This is an old Sears/Craftsman scroll saw that I picked up a long time ago from a secondhand store. Blade's still in pretty good condition, so got that out and used that to cut off all of the backings, or I should say most of the backings. As you can see, like with the helmets, I'm going to cut those out separately just to keep them from cracking and breaking, but used it to at least get the bulk of the resin, all of the parts here, so all of these items cut off the back. So obviously, let's say if you're going to use these, make sure just to use extra caution. Definitely not advocating for this, but I actually removed the safety guard. Go ahead and put that back on before I forget. Pulled the safety guard off just to get a little bit closer in with the blades, so I didn't have to keep dealing with the spring pressure and stuff like that. But obviously, extremely dangerous. Not advocating here to do it, but that's just what I did. So, but yeah, went really well. Got all of those cut out pretty quickly. The other nice thing is I just pulled the filter from my extractor. That way all of the dust could just go out of the building. Again, just cautionary for anybody who's new and maybe hasn't seen something on resin before. You definitely don't want to be breathing in the fibers of resin that come off when you're sanding it, anything like that, just because it's more of an actual fibrous material. Think of asbestos is a better way of thinking of it. So always use an extractor, do it outside, use a respirator, whatever you have to do just to protect your lungs and things like that. But yeah, went really well, worked really well. Just carefully using it to scroll it out. And so a little bit of polishing here and there on the parts, and then we should be ready to get them into primer. Probably I'll do a quick just wash with them in this little container just to get any of the release agent off of it if it happens to be there and stuff like that. So yeah, that was pretty much my night. So moving along with that, there's not really been any other build onto the actual kit itself yet. So once I have the next part, I'll definitely get you guys all caught up. With summer here, obviously that does kind of take a toll with everything that you have going on, stuff like that. So any questions, comments, definitely post them down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.